Crownpeak has created a unique solution that is a SaaS-based platform for anyone to create, edit, and manage content while at the same time using tools to ensure the creation and deployment of all digital touchpoints are of high quality. This demonstration will show some very basic content editing features for the Crownpeak Digital Experience Management Platform, or DXM. It will be seen how easy it is to create and manage text-based content. It will also be shown how anyone, especially people with limited technical skills, are empowered to work within the platform. They're going to be able to accomplish the basic tasks without needing to rely on technical members of the team. I'll begin by logging into the Crownpeak platform. Keep in mind that since Crownpeak is a decoupled solution, everything I do will not impact the live site until I want it to be impacted, most often through a workflow approval process where content is created and then gets approved by folks tasked with these roles. I start off by previewing a web page inside of the platform. I can navigate to other pages that I need to work on, or I can create new pages as desired. However, it's this homepage asset that I want to start working on. It's a fairly typical web page with all sorts of content, such as a hero image at the top, text content, and other images. I'll begin with making some basic content changes. To do that, I change my mode from preview to inline edit. I can see, as I scroll down the page, the authoring experience lights up the areas of the page that I have the authority to edit with the gear-looking icons. Areas of the page that I'm not allowed to change, such as the navigation, the logo, and the overall layout, are inaccessible for me to change. This way, content authors are empowered with the ability to manage what they need to without the worry of negatively impacting other areas of the page or even applications which may be running on the site. The first change that I'm going to make is a simple textual edit. Inline editing is very powerful from an authoring experience because it doesn't even feel like I've left the web page. In reality, behind the scenes, I'm interacting with the authoring web form that manages the entire page. Any change I make can be seen instantly in context, which depicts exactly how this page will look when it's published to the live site. The same inline editing capabilities exist for what you see is what you get, or WYSIWYG editing. Now, WYSIWYG provides the author with more capability to change the styling of their content, yet they stay within the website brand standards and profile. Plus, Crownpeak customers can customize the entire authoring experience by only allowing certain WYSIWYG buttons to be made available. For example, if the only capabilities the author should have is the ability to bold, underline, and add hyperlinks, then these would be the only 3 WYSIWYG buttons available. Once again, I'm seeing the changes I made in context on the page. I can also interact with the authoring experience, otherwise known as the authoring form. This takes me directly to the authoring form experience, and I land in the area of the form that manages the content that I had selected. I can see that there are even more WYSIWYG buttons available in this interface as compared to inline WYSIWYG editing. Again, this is completely controllable by Crownpeak customers in terms of which buttons are available for specific content authors. There's even access to the WYSIWYG backend HTML editor for more advanced users. The authoring experience can include just about anything from text boxes and WYSIWYGs to image selectors, document selectors, radio buttons, drop-downs, pick lists, etc. When I save and preview, I can once again see the changes I made in context. I believe that you would agree that the Crownpeak platform is incredibly easy to use, right? It was demonstrated that a content author can change textual content in a couple of different ways. All of the changes can be previewed in context before they are published out to the live site. And the platform user is not required to have any specific technical skills, nor do other more technical members of the team need to be accessed. For more information about Crownpeak, our offerings, or to contact us, visit us at crownpeak.com or send an email to info@crownpeak.com.